How to automate lead research using Clay AI. First, open your web browser and go to app.clay.com. Then sign in to your Clay AI account. Once you're on the Clay dashboard, click Find Leads and choose Find People or Find Companies, depending on the type of leads you want to research. Next, use the filters on the left side to define your target audience. Click Add Filter and select criteria such as industry, company size, job title, location, or seniority level to narrow down your search. As you apply filters, Clay AI automatically updates the preview with matching prospects, making it easy to find highly targeted leads. If needed, you can also add target companies, exclude specific people, or adjust the result limits to refine your search even further. Once you're satisfied with your filters, click Continue to generate your lead list. After the results are ready, use Clay's enrichment features to automatically collect verified email addresses, phone numbers, LinkedIn profiles, company information, and other valuable data for each lead. Finally, review your enriched lead list and save it as a CSV file, or sync it directly with your CRM or outreach platform. That's it. You've successfully automated lead research using Clay AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and easy tech guides.